iniwan ko muna yung team para mag-asikaso ng mga gagawin doon na preventive maintenance. And punta tayo ng tower. Ay, hindi pwedeng dumaan dito. Sarado. Ito yung swimming pool. Nasa tower 2 tayo. Pumunta tayong tower 1. Pipicturan ko yung nag-move out na tenant. And ito yung 2-bedroom na available na. Same size din dun sa kabila. Bedroom. Ito yung bedroom niya. And facing ng Hotel 101. Bathroom. Yan. Ito naman, si residence. 3 ang aircon dito. And then, fan light. So, maganda yung view. Shell Residences. Ito yung bathroom. Yan. So, i-offer namin to ulit. 55,000 monthly.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. It up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me.